Did you know one man's mental breakdown started a war that killed more people than World War I? His name was Hong Xiuquan. He spent years studying for China's imperial exam, the only path to power for someone like him. He failed it 4 times. After the 4th failure, he collapsed. He had visions, vivid, overwhelming visions of an old man and a younger man in the heavens above. When he finally read a Christian pamphlet years later, everything clicked into place in his mind. The old man was God, the younger man was Jesus, and that made Hong Xiuquan the literal younger brother of Jesus Christ. He believed it completely. And somehow, so did millions of others. He built an army, then a state. The Taiping Heavenly Kingdom controlled a massive stretch of southern China for over a decade, with its own laws, its own capital, and its own gospel. The Qing dynasty fought back for 14 years. By the end, somewhere between 20 and 30 million people were dead. 1 failed exam, 1 broken mind, 20 million graves.